Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've been doing live sessions. Come by, check us out, bring a symbol. We're going to do exactly what we're doing here in our live intraday action. So, alright guys, Apple daily chart, $5.06 up, 6 cents up after hours, 33 million shares traded, 3.31% green on the day. Earnings guys, 29th, Apple going off Tuesday. On pause mode just like the rest of the markets. Look at the SPY. SPY for the last week going into some big earnings names, just chopping around, holding a good support area guys, but just chopping. So going to be interesting coming into next week where these markets can go. I mean, we could fly or we can die. So we're going to see on Apple, first one really big going off. I mean, Caterpillar on Monday, AK Steel, that's a pretty good one, Whirlpool, but really the tech names coming up, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, Baba, Verizon, ExxonMobil, CVX, big names, and that's why I think we did nothing last week. Little choppy sloppy action, you know, gap up, fade, gap down, fade, and then at the end of the day kind of pop it up, but holding this area. Okay, 20 MA, it's in a pretty good stance, you know, a little bit bullish pattern. It's a micro bullish pattern above the 20 MA. Okay, still a little bit weak being below the 50 and the 200. Okay, but down sideways here in the lower range is still a bearish pattern guys, with a micro bull here. Okay, so more bearish, but going into earnings 50-50 guys. This thing can frickin' fly, or next thing you know we're at 142 and going down, filling the gap at 121. We have huge areas down here. I hope we go down. I really do, guys. I would love to get into Apple around 120. This is a great area. I mean, we could still go down to 100, guys, you know, if this thing starts to fall. If we didn't have earnings, though, last week, guys, this is a weak stance completely. We have the 20 crossing over the 50. That will help push this thing down. But we have an inside bar, and we've been going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks sideways from a high pivot in the lower range here, guys. That's setting up for lower prices other than earnings, guys. So right now I have no position in Apple going into earnings. Sometimes me and the members will play a spec play, like one put, one call, just to see if this thing goes, and it's a 50-50 shot. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but we know our risk. And right now I'm teaching my members strict money management in these type of markets, guys. You know, and I mean, we're flying up, we're flying down. Some stocks are getting crushed, some stocks are railing like no tomorrow. So going into next week, guys, huge names going off, so that should possibly give us some direction. I just don't know. You know, that's why I think the markets on last week just kind of paused. You know, volume dried up on the SPY, and then we're just chopping. I mean, we had some okay names go off last week, but nothing like we are in the following week coming up. So just be careful. Let's go to the monthly. Monthly time frame, 50 MA holding at 140.61. So we have great support. We got great resistance going up. Still looking at this, you can see a little bit better. Down, starting to go sideways, lower range down here. I mean, anybody, you know, if you would have told them back here Apple's going to 140, everyone would have been like, yeah, right, 140, are you insane? Guys, when I was telling everyone to take their profits up in here, the 200 MA, and I tell my members this all the time, I don't care what chart it is, I don't care what name it is, if you haven't touched this 200 MA in years, eventually it's going to. And look at that, Apple went right to it, guys. It's pretty amazing stuff, I do have to say. So again, going into earnings, what I tell my members, no more than 10% of your total portfolio in any position. Going into earnings, no more than maybe 5%. I'd even go a little bit less. It's a gamble, guys. It's the casino. And once you understand that, then it's easier to say, hey, you know what? I'm going to do one call. One call contract. Maybe do 175, because if this thing pops, it could pop 15 bucks. Boom, we'll be in there. Bam, and take the money and run. You know, I mean, you could buy them in the money too. Whatever you want to do. But then if it goes down, that 175 is going to get clobbered. So again, 50-50, just like the casino. Take it easy, and let's go through this earnings season, and let's keep trading to live another day. Or another trading day, that is. All right, guys, that's going to be it for Apple. Don't forget to subscribe. Come to the live sessions. Bring a symbol. Let's have some fun and try to find the next best trade. We had a couple good ones. Earning plays that my members took out, told us. Check this one out. So we played this one on earnings. We played it to the short side. If we go to the daily, you can see a little bit better. But we played it right here. Got this fall. Boom, out. We played this one too on Friday. RMD. This one got cooked. We tried going long, guys. We got 2 good trades off. We held half, and then it just kept going. We just cut it. That was it. But we did take this one short right from 117.30. We knew going into earnings, smaller position, but let's get into something just in case it falls. And this is the monthly chart play that we love to play. High flyer. Look where the target is right there, guys. This was another great one. So all you members, all you guys coming to the live streams, we're finding some really good trades. Come by, check us out, guys. Let's try to make some money in these markets. And again, subscribe. Go to my website. Sign up, guys. $30 a month. We're killing it, guys. Killing it. Having fun, trying to find next setup, and teaching you guys technical analysis so you guys can take your own trade. And you don't need me. So, alright guys, thanks again for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.